These people appreciate you and they will want to show it. Whoever I'm picking up on feels so validated by you. You may have met this individual at a time when they were either on the brink of losing something. Unfortunately, maybe they lost someone dear to them. I'm picking up that they may have lost it all. And because of your kind gestures, because of your words of encouragement, they were able to get themselves back up on their feet again. For some of you, you took this person in when no one else would. And it was a risk. But this person wants to pay you back in kind. You took this person in. You gave them shelter. You gave them food. You gave them care. And they were quite hesitant also because they were so used to being betrayed by others. And they were non-trusting of you as much as you were non-trusting of them at the time, because it was a gamble, literally. You were both in fear. You felt like I could possibly be betrayed, you know, because for some of you, you didn't know this person too well. Some of you were just getting to know this individual. For others of you, it could have been an ex-friend or a friend that you are not in contact with anymore. For some of you, if it is an ex-friend, then unfortunately, this ex-friend did actually end up betraying you. And you may have realized why their family members turned their back on them. For others of you, this individual that you took in was betrayed by family. And they were so vulnerable. But they were drawn to your care and your love. And when they got themselves back on their feet, they became whole again. And they haven't forgotten you. You love this person back to life. Whether this was a friend, an ex-partner, or even a family member for some of you. This could be a cousin. This could be someone that you met at university. There was a difference between yourself and this individual, but it didn't matter. And for some of you, this person is not here. They have moved away to another town or city. But they always think back on how much you helped them. And for some of you, this person wants to come and see you. They want to show you how much they appreciated you. For some of you, this person wants to give you money. For some of you, this person wants to invite you to their place and they could live overseas. For others of you, this could be someone that ended up betraying you, even though you were there at a time when they were in need. And this betraying energy still wants to come back in and apologize for how they treated you. Because for some of you, I feel like this could be somebody that you were there for in their time of need. And when you needed them, they walked away and it came as a shock. They've looked back on the situation. And, you know, this energy is quite funny, butterflies, because although they acknowledge the fact that you were there for them, but they weren't there for you, it's almost as if they want to come back in to your life to maybe brag and boast about how well things are going. But for some of you, this person wants to come back in. This same betraying energy wants to come back in because they feel like you can help them again because they're going through some type of ending, maybe some type of ending in their relationship, and they have a lot of fears. And like I said, this energy is quite strange because there's a lack of acknowledgement about how their behavior may have made you feel, but they remember how you made them feel, when they betrayed you, right? I.e. not showing up for you, i.e. betraying you. For some of you, they may have stolen something from your home, unfortunately. So there's a lack of accountability in that respect, but there's more of an emphasis on how you made them feel, how good you made them feel when you were their shoulder to cry on. But there's a fear of re-entering your life because they don't know what type of energy you're going to be in. But this is quite a selfish energy. They know that you're very compassionate. They know that you're very empathetic. And that's why they want to come back in. And they do appreciate how you make them feel. But it's more so for selfish reasons. Now, this person could be a Sagittarius. They could be a Cancer. Or a Pisces. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. For some of you, this could actually be a family member. And you help this person a lot. You may have helped this person with their children. You may have helped this person during a hard time that they were facing in their relationship. And they still betrayed you. But there's an energy of them wanting to come back in because they miss that nurturing side that you possess. So they want to be nurtured because they're going through some type of ending. But Spirit is saying that there's a possibility that it's almost like they want to use you to heal, basically. And there will be a lack of acknowledgement about their behavior in the past. But there's a possibility that they could reenact the same past behavior again once they get themselves back on their feet. There's another energy here that appreciates you because you may have helped this person get through a very turbulent time because maybe they had a lot of addictions, or maybe they were in a very toxic family dynamic. You know, they were transforming. Maybe there were issues around money, the mother, etc. And you help this person to break free from some type of codependency, whether that's in regards to a toxic family dynamic, an addiction. You know, your conversations really open this person's mind up. For some of you, you referred this person to a psychologist. For others of you, just by your experiences, just by you giving words of wisdom and advice, you help this person to transform and heal, to tap into their true essence and their power. And this person is very, very thankful for your intervention. And the word intervention, that could also mean that you guided this person to get some type of counseling also. And during their time in counseling, and also during their time of talking to you, they started to connect certain dots. They started to see certain patterns that they needed to break free from, certain patterns that were holding them back. You help this person to heal. This person could be a friend or a friend of a friend. You may have met this person at a group, club, organization, online. You know, you help this person to start investing in self. And when they started investing in themselves, they became whole again. They started to see their true value. And when they started to see their true value, they broke free from those that didn't. They broke free from what was holding them back. For some of you, this could be a neighbor. This could also be a sibling. You know, this person started to plan because you may have met them at a time when they were existing and not living. And now this person feels rejuvenated. Now they are excited about life again. And they really, really appreciate you. For some of you, this individual, whoever this person is, appreciates the fact that you help them with their confidence, because they may have been around individuals who were trying to bully them or who were bullying them. These could have been family members, this could have been an ex-partner, or just people that they knew of, right? And there's an energy with this person not tapping into their power, maybe not feeling seen, not trusting people, feeling isolated and alone. And because of your warmth and your interaction, you help this person to heal. You help this person to feel seen. Because they, you may have met this person at a time in their life when they were alone. They felt lost. There could be some difference between the two of you. They could have had some type of breakup. They were in a very non-trusting energy, is what I'm picking up. Yeah, they were lacking confidence. And you touched this person emotionally. And you made this person believe that dreams do come true, because you accepted this person without any conditions. Maybe in the past, this person felt like they needed to have conditions in order to connect with another person, but not with you. You connected to this person's human side. You allowed this individual to open up emotionally. You saw beneath the surface, and they really value you. They find you amazing. They find you so beautiful. And because of your input, they feel to themselves, if someone as beautiful and amazing as you sees me for me, then I must be somebody. And your input in this individual's life brought a lot of peace, because this person was used to conflict, drama. You added value into this individual's life. This person could be someone that you're dating right now, someone that you're getting to know. This could be someone that you met at work. But this person really appreciates you. And they feel like you don't get enough appreciation. And this person or yourself could be of the signs Leo, Virgo, Pisces, Aries. I don't know why I'm hearing Capricorn, because I ain't got any Capricorn cards here. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. And this person appreciates your beauty also. This could be a love interest. This could be a friend, because you loving yourself is teaching this person how to love themselves. You are amazing. You are appreciated.